Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have these two stunning eyeshadow palettes. I hope they do what I expect them to do. Let's get started. We start off with the mauve palette, and this is how the colors are looking like. You have the mauve brownish, the more purplish. There are three metallic-y colors and the rest is all matte. And I'm not mad about it because I like a good matte eyeshadow. For the bronze palette, there are more brown tones in it, earth tones, bronze, a little bit of golden color, peach, and I like colors like this in a palette. It is just a gorgeous base color, and to blend other colors out. I was thinking to do one eye with the bronze and the other eye with the taupe, but things can look very weird then. So I was thinking just to do one palette. Because I'm gravitating to the mauve palette, because purple is my favorite color, I am going in with the bronze palette just to see how it does. Before we start, we are going to apply the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is my favorite eye base. We're starting off with that vanilla color. And I am just going to set my base, and I am doing that vanilla, placing it right into that inner corner. A little bit upwards, a little bit underneath that brow bone. There is a little bit of kick up, of kickback in the pan. I don't mind it, but this is for you guys who do mind it. There is kickback. Then I'm going in with the color Unmatched. Ooh, that pigment. This is so nice. It's nicely pigmented. It blends out very nice. That is why I did that vanilla color first, so I can blend this out more. So I am taking that mocha latte color and I am placing that in the outer corner and blend that with that unmatched color, but a little bit lower than the unmatched. And this pigment is really nice. It gives a lot, so you don't need much. Be very careful with this palette and all the pigment that it has. I'm going to take a little bit of that vanilla back right in here, like that, just to blend that back a little bit. Now I'm going in with the color Brunette, and I'm using a little brush. This is the brush number 4 by Natasha Denona. This is one of my favorite brushes. And I am doing the lower lash line with it. Very subtle, nothing too much. So just to blend it out a little bit, I'm going back in with that mocha color, mocha latte, and swoop it around. It's always nice. Yeah, makeup face, like just to get everything tight, right? And I'm going to take a little bit of Brunette and I am going to put that in my crease, but just very lightly, soft crease work. And Brunette is really good pigmented, so don't go in with too much because the pigments is there, and that is for all of the colors. So there's more drama on the outer side and it's more at ease in the inner side of the eye. I'm going to take Unmatched a little bit and place it right here. I'm going in with a thicker friend of mine. It is the number 10 by Natasha Denona. And I am going in with She's Golden. I really love this color. It is gold with a pink shimmer. And there is no brush better than that of Natasha Denona to apply it. Oh, it's stunning. I love this. There is fallout underneath my eye. That is not a surprise. It is a metallic. And metallics, you can find it everywhere. Glitter is worse. And then I'm going in with that color Pop Off. And that is that champagne color to brighten up that inner corner. Merge it a little bit with that She's Golden color. This is very stunning, and I didn't use every color in this palette, but this is really gorgeous. I like the look, I like the pigments, I like everything about it. So let me finish up my look and I'll be right back. I'm back with the full look. I just did a mascara and a lipstick, but that lipstick, this baby, the Shine Lip Lacquer, the new lipstick by KYLIE Cosmetics. This one stays shiny. The matte lip lacquer is really matte and dries down very badly. You can feel it on your lips. This one is more nice and creamy, but I said enough about this one. I'm coming with a review about this lipstick, and that will be next week with a wear test, and I'm very excited to do this one. So if you click on the notification bell, you will get a notification that I uploaded a new video, and this time it will be the new KYLIE Shine Lip Lacquer. And I got two colors. The Felt Cute, that's the one I'm wearing right now. And a red pinkish one, Don't Add Me. I'm going to review this next week. And let me know which color you wanted to be reviewed down in the comments below, and I will look into that. These two palettes are going into my professional kit because I love the pigmentation, I love the blendableness about it, and yeah, these are colors that I use a lot, so that's why they're going into my pro kit. And if there are any other products that you would like me to review, please leave it down in the comments below and I will look into that. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!